All right, next thing I'm going to show you guys is how to export. But prior to that, one thing I always do, whether I have multiple tracks or whether I have one single track on here, is I like to go over to tracks and then I do mix and render. It's just a group of presets that they already have figured in there, and it mixes and renders your audio all together. So that's one thing I always do. And then I'm going to go ahead and select my track. If I had more than one, I would just do Control A to select them all, or you can do with the selection tool, drag down with them all. Then you're going to go to File, hit Export, and we're gonna, this is where I want to go. Let's do Save Tonight, and I'm just going to put Final on there so I know it's the different from the original audio file. Then I'm going to hit Save. Once you do that, your metadata box goes ahead and pops up. You could put in the artist name. I'll go ahead and put my name here. Then title track, Save Tonight. Final. Album title. Not that great. And then you go ahead and put your track number, the year, the genre of music, and then any additional comments that you want there. And what this does is this puts in all that metadata into your audio file. So let's say if you were to go ahead and play it with Windows Media Player, it's going to pop up with all that information. If you were to put it, this is just all the information that goes into the track. So if you see it on your computer, it'll have just like any other song, unless you illegally downloaded it. Huh? Is that what you guys are doing out there? I'm just kidding. But just like any other song, it's going to have all the information that goes along with it. And you know, this is big time right here. And this free software, this is big time. You have your own produced work with all your information looking and feeling all professional. When you go and give it to that music producer, and they're like, man, you can sing. Like, oh, we're going to sign you on the spot. Okay, maybe that's not going to happen, but this is it in this free software called Audacity. So I'm going to go ahead and click OK. And voila. This is only 9 seconds worth of audio, so you really didn't even see the progress going on there. But sometimes it might take a little bit of time depending on how big your composition is. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at it. And there it is.